The car wash. Something dumb to do. Ha, baby. I think I wanna marry you. This is my jam right here. Ha. Hello, everybody. I'm home. I'm home. It's cold out there. Hmm. It's too quiet in here. Where is everybody? Oh, oh. Oh my gosh, what is that smell? Of course, it's the garbage. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll go, 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 go. Nothing can ruin this. Huh? Huh? What the? Honey, what are you doing? Oh, hey, darling, how are you? I was just reading some newspaper and listening to a song. What song was that? Was that Marry You from Bruno Mars? It sure was. I thought you didn't like that song. I didn't, but then Jared kept playing it over and over in his room. And ever since then, I've been copying it, singing it, get it stuck in my head, so I guess now I just listen to it now. Hmm. Hey, but what are you doing here? I thought you didn't get off work until 6. It's 4. Well, sweetie, I came home early today because for the past 2 weeks, I've been working extra hours. But sweetie, when I walked in, I smelled that trash, and it smells bad. It does? Yeah, I think you need to take it out. All right, hun. Ugh, she wasn't kidding. This trash stank, bro. Gross. Just gross. Trash, man. Totally trash. Whoa, whoa. No! What the? Dad? Uncle Roger? Honey? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dad, what happened? What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh my gosh. What happened to the car? I slipped on a piece of paper and spilled trash all over it. Dang, man, you messed that thing up. Well, honey, it's no big deal. All you gotta do is scrub all this stuff off of it, and it'll be back to normal. Alright, no problem. I'll get a bucket and everything to scrub all this off. I'll get it for you, Dad. Thanks, son. I'll get all the stuff for me so I can wash this car down. Oh no, it's okay, Dad. Jared and I will clean the car for you. Oh no, fellas, you don't have to. I spilled this stuff on the car. I'll take care of it. No, Dad, that's okay. We promise you, Jared and I will take care of it. We insist we'll take care of it. Really? Yes, really. You can go chill out while we take care of this. Well, thank you, fellas. I appreciate that a lot. Alright. I'll see you guys. See you, Dad. We're really gonna scrub this car down? Yup. Let's get to it, Jarrett. This'll be easy. Ugh. Never mind. This is not easy. These stains won't even go out. Oh yeah? Well then check this out. Yeah, they won't go out. Dang, how could your dad have spilled so much trash on his car? I don't know. We've been scrubbing for 2 hours, and these stains are not going out. What else can we do? I know what we can do, Castor. Let's use that super good wash. I would bet anything if we use that super good wash, these stains will be off the car. No, Jarrett, we used up all that good wash. We had to pour it on ourselves after that stinky bag you dropped on us. Oh, right. Well, then how are we going to get this car clean? Well... I got it. We'll take it through a car wash. A car wash? Yeah, the car wash will wash all that trash off the car. Oh, best idea ever. All right.
All right.
Huh? Who said that? Oh, wait. One problem. We're not going to be able to go to the car wash. What? Why not? Because we're going to have to drive to get there, and neither one of us know how to drive. Correction, Castor. You don't know how to drive. But I do. What the heck? When did you get a driver's license? I took the driving test last Saturday, Castor, and I passed it. You passed your driving test? I sure did. Oh boy. What the? Why are you making that face? And why'd you just say, oh boy? You think it's bad that I can drive now? Well, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I thought it, but I didn't say it. Castor? Well, Jarrett, can you really blame me for thinking that? I mean, you are kind of a reckless driver. What? When have I ever drove reckless before? Whoa, yeah! Oh, ha, ha, ha. Jarrett, you're going too fast. Chill out. I'm not going so fast. You seriously think we're going too fast? Yes, dude, we're going too fast. Slow down, man. We're not going real fast. I think we're just fine. Oh, Jarrett, look. Look out, look out. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Haha, look at us driving. Castor. Jarrett, slow down. We're going too fast. Slow it down. Slow it down. I don't want to. This out, Castor. No, Jarrett, stop. I guess I see what you mean. Okay, this time I promise not to drive so fast. Good. Alright, let's get it. Here we are. The car wash. Alright, in a few minutes the car wash is gonna start, so make sure all the windows are rolled up, okay? Yeah, thank you. Alright. Okay, guess I'll roll the window up. Dude, the car wash is about to start. I know, man. Isn't it sweet? Yep, and we get to see it from up there. Oh, I can't wait for this. Oh. Starting, it's starting. Man, this car will be clean in no time. Yeah. This car is gonna be so clean. Oh, it sure is. If only somehow we can make this thing funny. Well, this is great. I love this. This is so sweet. Oh! Shoot, man, what just happened? Uh, I don't know. I don't know what that was. Well, dude, come on, roll the window up. Dude! Roll the window up. Roll it up. Dude, stop. Come on. Dude, roll this window up before water gets some in here. Before water get in here again. Roll this window up. Bro, it's not funny. Roll the window up. Dude, I'm not doing that. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I see you pressing the button to let the window down. Let it up. Let the window up. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let it up. Please, just let it up. Come on, you got me soaked enough. Just let it up already. No, let the window up. Let it up. Let it up. Let it up. Let it up, Jared. Let it up. It's been 12 hours. Where are they? I don't know. Where'd you tell them to go? I didn't tell them to go anywhere. They took off themselves. Oh, shoot. I don't like it when they do that. We are here with your car, and it is as good as new. It is good as new. Thank you guys so much for cleaning it up. I really appreciate it. Oh, no problem, Uncle. Castor and I took it to the car wash. The car wash? Sweet. Castor, what the... Why are you soaking wet? Because in the middle of the car wash, Jarrett let my window down and got me all wet. Dude, it was just a joke. Come here, Jarrett. Here, Jarrett, back off, Castor. Back off. Oh, wow. That was a really smart idea to go to the car wash to get all that dirty stuff cleaned up. You know, honey, your car is dusty and dirty too. Oh, is it? If only there was one way to clean it up. The car wash. Here we are. Here we are. All right, it's about to start. Here goes nothing. Oh, there it is. And we haven't even been to a car wash in a while. Nope, we haven't. This is the best day of my life. Me too, sweetie. A car wash. Perfect. Hey, I wonder what this button do. Don't you even think about letting my window down. Yeah.